Probably.
Coming out?
Yeah, it's coming out.
Can't see it.
Yeah, you can. Interesting. Yeah, that's a lot of birds, though.
No. Ooh, where they come from?
Ooh.
Oh, from this side. Look, Frank. Let me show you something. Look over here. See how they got, look, you see that one, how he got his nest?
Uh-huh.
But look, those nests are just about finished. See, she run that bird off? They everywhere.
Hey, look behind you.
They everywhere. And they just starting to build a nest.
A lot of birds.
I just can't figure out how they know the difference.
I don't know. Fascinating
And
creatures.
then they so close together.
Fascinating creatures.
Look, they fighting. Come on, man. That's crazy.
Look, another fish. Look.
They got one right there by old.
Look at that sheep head. Hey, the sheep head.
No fish way like that, man. There ain't no
Sheephead.
sheephead. That damn sure is a sheephead. Make no sense, man.